Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to second PUC accountancy online classes. In the previous class, we have solved some problems on calculation of sacrifice ratio. Now I will continue the same concept, that is page number 33. Let us solve problems. Problem number 6, page number 33. Let me read the problem and let us analyze in the meantime. Ram and Rahim are partners sharing profits and losses equally. They share equally. They admit Charlene into the partnership. Ram agrees to surrender 1/3 of his share and Rahim agrees to surrender 1/4 of his share to Charlene. Calculate the sacrifice ratio. Don't you see the similarity between the problem number 5 and this? Yes, that is a x and y problem, x, y and z, similar problem, but still let me solve this problem. Then 7th and 8th problem I already told you, it is similar to problem number 1 and 2. I will not solve those problems, you have to take it as one. Arti and Bharati I already gave it for assignment. Then I will take up last problem, that is Ravi and Shankar. So let us solve this problem, Ram and Rahim. Let us write the given information first. Given, that is, who are the partners? Ram and Rahim. Ram and Rahim, their old ratios given, sharing profits and losses equally. What do you mean by equally? 1:1 friends, that's all. 1:1 means what? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Denominator will be 2. 1/2 and 1/2. That is half and half. The whole share is divided among them equally means what? Half, half. That's all. So 1/2, 1/2 and 1/2. That is old ratio. No, what did they tell further? They admit Charlene into the partnership. Ram agrees to surrender 1/3 of his share and Rahim agrees to surrender 1/4 of his share. So Ram agrees to surrender 1/3 of his share. 1/3 of his share means Ram's share into 1/3. And Rahim agrees to surrender 1/4 of his share. That means Rahim's share into 1/4 of his share. That's all, very simple. That is sacrifice ratio. So you should remember while seeing the problem, don't jump into conclusion that 1/3 and 1/4 are sacrifice ratios, then it is gone. You will not get even a single mark. You will get a big zero. Remember this. So make sure that the given shares are not the sacrifice ratios. They are the part of their old share. That is what we are very clearly given in the problem. So let us solve the problem. Let us solve. Write the formula first. Without formula, if you solve the problem, they will deduct 1 mark for that. Remember. They will search for the formula, they will search for the steps, and then they will search for the final answer, whether it is written or not. That is how the scheme of valuation will be in board exam. So here write what is asked in the problem: sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio, that is SR is equal to old ratio, that is OR minus new ratio, new new ratio, that is NR. NR. Sacrifice ratio of, first you have to write the sentence, calculation of sacrifice ratios of Ram and Rahim. That is very important. That is very important. Remember, sacrifice ratio of Ram is equal to his old ratio minus his sacrifice ratio. Now here, sacrifice ratio of Ram is equal to how much? 1/3 of his share. Is equal to 1/3 of means into multiplication of his share. Old share was 1/2. 1/2 is equal to, multiply the denominators and numerators. 1 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6, 1/6. We got the answer. And sacrifice ratio of Rahim is equal to how much? 1/4 of his share. 1/4 of his share. It's very clearly given in the problem. That is, yes, 1/3 and 1/4 of his share is equal to how much? 1/4 of means into old share was 1/2. That is equal. Ram and Rahim. So 4 twos are 8 and 1 ones are 1. This is the sacrifice made by Rahim. Now write the final answer. Therefore, sacrifice ratios of Ram and Rahim is equal to 1/6 is to 1/8. That's all. Your problem is solved. So you should make sure that the given there is ratios 1/3 and 1/4 are not the sacrifice ratios. Now let me move on to the next one, that is Radha and Rukmini are partners sharing profits and losses. I already told you, similar to that of one for problem number 1 and 2. Let us skip this problem, take it as your homework. Aarti and Bharati, I already gave it to you for assignment, problem number 8. Now I will move on to problem number 9, that is the last problem. Ravi and Shankar are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Shiva into the partnership and gave him 1/6 share. See here properly, it's a very critical one. 1/6 share. Ravi and Shankar agree to share the remaining share in the ratio of 3:2. Calculate the sacrifice ratio. So here, old ratio is given 2:1. They admit Shiva into partnership, new partner, and the share of new partner is 1/6. Ravi and Shankar agree to share the remaining share in the ratio of 3:2. Indirectly given, see. So what we have to do is, remaining share we have to calculate first. How much is the remaining share? And that will be shared by the old partners Ravi and Shankar in the ratio of 3:2. Then we will get the new ratios of the old partners. when we deduct the new ratios of old partners from their old ratios, we will get the sacrifice ratio. How tricky it is, see, indirectly given. So to calculate sacrifice ratio, we need to calculate new ratios of the old partners, because nowhere it is given how much is the sacrifice made by them, and new ratios are also not given in the problem. They told the remaining share after giving 1/6 share to new partner, the remaining share will be shared by the old partners Ravi and Shankar in the ratio of 3:2. In the ratio of means that is not the ratio given, you have to calculate. So how to calculate this? 1, that is full 1 share, 1 minus share given to new partner 1/6, then you will get the remaining share. Of the remaining share, you have to distribute that remaining share among old partners in the ratio of 3/5 and 2/5. So let us solve the problem given old ratio, names of the partners, that is Shiva, Ravi and Shankar. Ravi and Shankar. Ravi and Shankar. Their old ratio was how much? 2:1, 2:1, 2:1, 2:1. Then they admit Shiva into partnership for 1/6 share, 1/6 share. New ratio that is given to Shiva 1/6. What we have to do is, we have to calculate the new ratios of the old partners now. So let the total share of the firm, be 1. Firm be 1. After giving 1/6 share, after giving 1/6 share, the remaining share will be, the remaining share will be 1 minus 1/6 or 6/6. 6/6 minus 1/6 is equal to 5/6. This is the remaining share, remember. That is what they told. Remaining share in this case, after giving 1/6 share, the total share of the firm is 1 or 6/6, the whole share of the firm, the whole profit of the firm, and minus 1/6 that is given to new partner, the remaining share will be 5/6. This 5/6 should be distributed among, should be shared among, distributed among or shared among, that is old partners in the ratio of old partners, among the old partners in the ratio of 3:2. Ratio of 3:2. 3:2. Therefore, share of the first partner, that is Ravi, is equal to, this is 3:2 means 3/5 and 2/5. Remaining share, that is 3/5 of the remaining share. 3/5 of the remaining share. Remaining share is equal to 3/5 into remaining share is 5/6 is equal to straight multiplication. This is not fraction or addition. So no common denominator. 5 6 the 30 and 3 5 the 15. 15 by 30. And therefore share of Shankar is equal to 2/5 of remaining share is equal to 2/5 2/5 of the remaining share 5/6 is equal to 30 denominator and 2 5s are 10 by 30. Now we got the new ratios of the old partners. We have the old ratios of the old partners. 2:1 was their old ratio, and new ratio is 15/30 is to 10/30. What about the remaining 5/30? That is the share given to new partner. Very simple. 1/6, or when we convert it to 30 denominator, 6 5s are 30, so numerator will be 5. Remember. So 10 plus 15 25 plus new partner share 5 30. So denominator remains equal. That is how we have to solve it. Now let us calculate sacrifice ratio. How to calculate it? By deducting the new ratio from their old ratio. So therefore let me solve here. Let me calculate here. Therefore SR of sacrifice ratio of Ravi is equal to his old share minus his new share or new ratio is equal to how much? Old ratio given in the problem 2/2:1. So 2 plus 1 3. 2/3 minus new ratio 15/30. 15/30. So is equal to how much? That is, take 30 as the common denominator, divisible by both the numbers. So 3 10s are 30 and 30 1s are 30. So 10 2s are 20 minus 15 1s are 15 is equal to 5/30. 5/30. I'll calculate the share of the other partner here. I'm continuing. Therefore SR of Shankar is equal to his old ratio minus his new ratio is equal to old ratio we know given in the problem 1/3 minus new ratio we have calculated 10/30 is equal to, take 30 as the common denominator, 3 10s are 30, multiply the numerator by 10, 31s makes no difference. So 10 1s are 10 minus 10. So it is 0/30. That means what? That means the second partner didn't sacrifice anything. It's very clear. See, whatever the sacrifice is made by Ravi only. 5/30 is given by Ravi alone. You have to write in full sentence at the end. After solving this, you have to write, therefore the entire share is sacrificed by Ravi alone. Or you have to write, therefore the share given to Shiva is from Ravi alone, or Ravi has sacrificed alone to Shiva, and Shankar didn't sacrifice anything towards Shiva. So that you have to write in one full sentence. Remember, that is the conclusion of your solution. That is the final answer. Write in one sentence, that is, the whole share given to Shiva is sacrificed by Ravi alone. Ravi alone. Yes, that's all. So with this, your sacrifice ratio comes to an end. So in board exam, what they will do is, they will give you one problem on either sacrifice ratio or on new profit sharing ratio calculation for 6 marks. And remember, if they ask you 12 marks problem from admission, they will not ask any problem on sacrifice or new profit sharing ratio on admission. They will ask you this 6 marks problem on retirement, on gain ratio or new profit sharing ratio calculation. And if they ask you a problem on retirement for 12 marks, then they will ask you 6 marks problem from this, that is sacrifice ratio or new profit sharing ratio on admission. Remember. So that is how you have to solve in the board exam. So take assignment. You just solve this Ravi and Shankar problem, a bit critical one. Ravi and Shankar problem, and submit it as your assignment problem, and submit the assignment on time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.